Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Welcome everyone. Today it is my turn to share some tips on how to conduct online class. And the objective of tonight's discussion, because we are using this what we call Google Meet, and the objective of our discussion tonight is actually how to use. Yeah, it is on how to use Facebook, how to use Facebook to facilitate online class. All right, I'm Salmia Kasolang from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. And then can I invite Prof. Yat to introduce herself?
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. My name is Nurhaiti Saad. So I'm currently the Deputy Dean Academic of Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. So inshallah, I'm very happy to be together again tonight, to share on the FB Live. Thank you.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh and good evening everyone. So again, my name is Azhan. I am from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, and tonight we're going to learn from Prof. Salmia about the Facebook platform.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Bibi. I'm from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, UiTM Shah Alam.
Before that, let me explain a little bit about Facebook. Now, we have heard that people have used Facebook for many things, right? For marketing and for getting more followers and all that. But tonight, actually, we're going to learn how to use it for conducting a class. Okay? Facebook is not like a Google Classroom. If you use a Google Classroom, there's so many features that you can use, but Facebook Live is actually similar to Google Meet, right? The one that we are using now. So you can actually have a real-time engagement, okay? All right, so I would like to invite Prof. Nurhaiti Saad to give the first question.
Okay, thank you, Prof. Firstly, I would like to ask, let's say currently I'm just have a normal Facebook account, but I would like to start to have teaching and learning using the FB platform. How can I develop those, create those group? And at the same time, for example, how can we have a unit discussion, for example, so we should be able to use it as the platform for teaching and learning. Thank you.
Okay, to answer that, first and foremost, I'm going to bring your attention to Facebook. Yeah, this is my Facebook. Can you see this? Probably I go to my, yeah, this is my Facebook, okay? Assuming that you already have a Facebook, a personal Facebook, you can create a different Facebook if you wish, but I'm going to show this using my personal Facebook. Okay, so the first thing, we create a group. To create that, okay, I go to, actually you can go here. There's a different way of doing it. One of the way you can create a group is, can you see that? Create over there?
Yes.
Yes, you can create, and then page, advertisement, group, event, marketplace listing. So for this one, we're going to go to group because we wanted to create a private group. Okay. All right. So name of the group. What do you think I should put here? Testing?
Yeah.
Probably I put, say, MEC. The subject, class MEC 602.
Yeah? Prof. Salmia, sorry, can I interrupt a bit? When you say it is a private group, does it mean it is only for the people who is invited in the group, or it is also I mean can be open to the public? Thank you.
No, no, this is not open to the public. If you want to make it, okay, let me show you how to create first. Say the first one, you put the name, and you could put any name you wanted to, but this one I put the name of the class, yeah, the course, and then you can add some people, but I would do that later. Okay, what you need to do is next to set it whether it is private or public. Private meaning anyone can see. Yeah, and anyone can see, even though they're not in the group. Okay, for only members can see this. All right, only members can see this. So most probably, if you're not comfortable and you want your group is only for your class, you set it at private. Okay, private. Choose private. Only members can see who's in the group and what they post. Okay. All right, visible, and anyone can find this group, or you want it to be hidden. It is up to you. If it is visible, visible, people can type it and they can see it. Yeah, but they cannot, even though they cannot open, but they can see the name. If you want anybody to see it, then you set visible. But if you want to hidden, if you want to if you don't want this name to pop up, then you put hidden. Okay, so I put visible. Yeah. Okay, and then we create. All right. Okay, do you see this? Right. Once you create that, say I want to upload a photo, then I'm going to use this photo here. Okay, so you can use also the class picture if you wish. Okay, the next one, the next one is, do you see this? This is MEC 642, private group, right?
Yeah.
So you can add later about the group. You can write and you can give explanation and so forth. You just press that one. But what I wanted to show now here is how to add a unit. Now, the question is, why should we have a unit? Now, when you have a unit, it's easy for you to categorize the information that you put in. Say, in this class, I have 5 modules. So I will put the first module in the first unit. So when the students want to find the module, the posting, it's easy for them, right? So this is a systematic way of posting the information. Okay? Do you get me on this point? At this point?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So now the
Still
next one is how to create a unit. So you press you click this here more, and then edit group setting. So you go here, this is more, right? You click that one and you see edit group setting. Press that one.
Yep.
Press that one and then say leave this page. Yes, because you want to do some changes. All right. Okay, next, group type. Do you see this group type? I still maintain the group name, but I will put the group type. So you say change. At the beginning, it is general. Okay, it is general, but we want to make it specific so we can create the unit. So I will change and make it social learning. I make it social learning. Okay, social learning, and save it.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Okay, so before I finish this, I want you to look at this. Can you see my cursor?
Yes, discussion.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is discussion, right? Now we do not have unit. Later on, once I've completed this, you're gonna have a unit there, a unit menu. Okay. So let me go down. So if you want to fill up all this blank, you can description, add location, and everything. You can do that. But because we want to save time, we just proceed and go down. Probably I put some wording here and say this is about module 1. Module 1. Okay, and I say add. Okay, and then save it. Okay, save it. Let me. Dia lambat sikit. There's supposed to be. Okay, let's see what I have not done yet. Probably I put some description, yeah.
So this is still a setting under social learning, yeah?
Yep. This is to describe module 1.
Okay.
Prof, how about the
Yes.
landing tab? Landing up the above, okay? So there is landing tab. Should we choose unit or discussion?
Which one?
The one under the group type, you see?
Yeah.
There is landing tab.
The group type. No. Yeah. Discussion. I think this is the.
So we
Sorry.
maintain
It's supposed to
discussion.
be. We can put, yes. We can put you can choose the order and organization.
Okay.
I think either one can be chosen. But let's say we put the unit there,
All right.
and then I try again to save it. It works. All right. Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. I have to refresh it.
Refresh.
I have to
Okay.
refresh it, and you can do. Do you see that unit there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you see that unit there, right? Once you click the unit, you're gonna see this. Do you see this now? Nampak
Yes.
tak? Do you see this
Yes.
feature?
Yeah.
Yes. Now you create unit. Say I say here module 1. Yeah. This is about intro to tribology. Okay, create unit. Now, if you want this unit to be compulsory, then you shouldn't tick this. But if it is optional, then you tick this one. But we want this unit to be compulsory, so they have to go through this unit. Okay? So create unit. Okay, do you see that unit?
Yeah.
Yeah. So any posting, you can start, you can do it here. Yeah?
Prof,
You
can
can
you
do your
explain
posting
it
here.
again?
Oh, there's a quiz also here. There's a quiz. You can create a quiz. You can up a file and do some posting.
Prof, excuse me.
Yeah.
Please explain again about when you mention about optional and compulsory. What does it
Okay.
mean actually?
You can make the unit compulsory, meaning they cannot move to the other unit. This is unit 1. And unit 1 is module 1. And then they need to complete this module 1 before they go to module 2, before they can go to module 2. So you can also make it optional if it is only general information.
Thank
Right.
you.
So this is how you can use the unit to to share information, right? Okay, you can also share files from here. Files and do
Our
posting.
PowerPoint.
And this is also new to me. You can create quiz.
Okay.
Yeah. Say I write something here. Yeah. Hi everyone. Okay. And then if you want to add media, you can also do that. Now you can at your own sweet time, you can explore all this. Okay. So basically the objective of this one is how to create a unit. So you can classify the information that you put in into a specific folder.
Prof, I
Yeah.
would like to ask a question.
All right.
So, thank you for showing us how to use how to create the modules or different
Right.
units. Um, uh, I would like to know how actually we can use FB Live for a classroom teaching.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Bibi. Next, I'm going to show you how to create an event. We know that on Facebook there's a feature that we can use, and this feature is let me show you here. Can you see this event here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We can click the event,
Mm-hmm.
and then there is a settings that create an event. Yeah, you can do that from here, but I'm going to create from this private group.
Yeah.
If I go here, probably it will be created under Salmia. Yes, so I'm going to create here under the MEC 642 private group. So I click here. Okay. So what is the purpose of creating this event? Now, this event is used to actually inform or invite selected members, or if you want to invite the whole group, you can also, so that they can be ready. So, like informing them earlier about your event. Yeah, if you have, I think probably at least 1 week before you conduct your class, you can share this at least, or you can do it 1 month before, right? So how do we do that? Okay, first, if you want to upload a picture, you just choose it here. Okay, so the event name, so I say class, online class lah, is online class.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, I put invite all members of MEC 642. So I say tick. So if I do that, I don't have to invite one by one.
Okay.
Yeah, so you just tick that one. So everyone, members of MEC 642 will be automatically invited. Okay, great. All right. Okay.
All right.
Okay, do you see that? Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to see,
Yeah.
there is a pop-up here say it is up to all of us to slow the spread of COVID-19. So guys, everyone stay safe, stay at home. But I want to dismiss this one. I don't want to read now. Okay, you see now? You can see it clearly, isn't it? Right. Later on, if you want to
Yeah.
invite people out of this MEC 642, you can do it. Do you see this invite?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, you can invite if you want to. Then you can select people. But at the moment, macam members, we don't have members yet, right? Okay, just
Yeah.
cancel that one.
Prof, I have
Okay.
one question regarding this. Do you
Yes.
always invite your students to every week class?
If you're creating an event once, yeah, once, I think you should be doing that. But if this event is recurring event, just now I've shown you, right, whether it is daily,
Mhm.
weekly. Yes, if it is weekly, then the same people will receive
Mm-hmm.
this invitation.
The invitation, and they have
Yes.
they have to accept this invitation like weekly basis.
If they're already in the members, it is automatically because we tick that at the beginning. Yeah, we tick that at the beginning. All members in MEC 642. So the first thing we have to do is to make them register
Okay.
or be a member of MEC 642.
So the meaning that, Prof, sorry to
Yeah,
interrupt again, all the members should have FB account, isn't it? Then you can invite them. Yeah.
they should have FB and FB account. They should have FB account.
All right.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Prof. Another question here. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So if let's say we set it for automatic invitation, when then we can
Mm-hmm.
use it for attendance record. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, because the student need to accept the invitation and then say that they're going to the class, and then we can use that for our record, right? I mean, for the attendance.
Yes, yes, we can use that. At the same time, if you want to use Facebook coupled with other platform, that will be good as well. Say you are using it with Forum in Ireland. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is always good to couple one platform to the other so that the platform become complete.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Okay.
All right. This is an event that I created on online class MEC just now. Yeah.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this one. Class MEC 642.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you can put in information by using edit. You can put information. I've invited three of you, yeah,
Mm.
for this event. Dr. Bibi, Mr. Azhan, and also Prof. Nurhaiti Saad. Okay, you can invite that using the invitation if you want to have extra people.
Mm.
But
Okay.
and then I put some description. Yeah, this is I put some description here, and then I also put shadow. Okay,
Mm.
there's a feature where you can put shadowing. So I said here at 10:10 they're gonna be a review of previous lecture.
Yeah.
Yeah, previous lecture. And
Yeah.
second, at 10:20 the current topics material lecture materials for that day
Mhm.
will start. And then at 11, so the student will be mentally ready that at 11 o'clock there will be activity one.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then 11:15 the current topic continuous. Then I'm going to give a lecture again, and by 11:45 there will be activity two. Now remember that we are using what we call this student-centered learning. Yes, student-centered learning. I think more so if you are doing it online, because the student will not be focusing on your lecture, on you talking, yeah, for very long. So you're gonna be talking 50 minutes, 30 minutes. That should be okay, and then you intertwine that with activities. So I put two activities, and 5 minutes before we finish the class, I do some recap. This is what I normally do in real class face to face. So I'm going to
Yeah.
follow that as well. Okay, and then I also post in this event I activity video for activity number 2, so the students can be ready. They can actually look at this YouTube beforehand, because I'm going to create a question, yeah, when it is during the day, yeah, when I do the live lecture. So this is for activity 2, and before that there is video for activity 1. So you can all this can be put under the event, yeah, event that we created. Yeah. If you want to do some editing, you just click edit here. Yeah. Then you can do editing. Can you see this feature?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, you can change the name, whatever. You can change the description. You can change the time. You can. I think Prof yet have not accepted. It's still pending there. Yeah. So actually, show guest list, and guests
Okay.
can invite friends. So
Mm.
I said this.
Okay.
Yeah. So if Dr. Bibi want to invite a few friends, you can do so. Yeah, because
Oh.
Okay.
I turn this one on. Yeah,
Just with friends.
yes.
Okay. So we don't know the whole class, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Means that we can invite anyone from not from the class list.
Not
So
from the
anyone,
class list.
yeah, okay then.
Yes. Not from the class list because you guys, I've said you as co-host.
Okay,
Mm.
yeah,
You are the co-host. Yeah.
Oh,
okay,
okay.
okay,
Yes. So
all right,
if let's say you have a team teaching, you can invite those lecturers as well as the co-host. Okay.
okay,
All
all
right.
right.
Okay. Save it, and this will come out on the date that we have put. What is that date? 15 April 2020, and it start 10 to 12. Okay.
Yeah,
All right
okay.
then. So I think that is about it on how to use event as a platform for conducting class. And I mean, you can promote this much earlier, but at least 1 week earlier.
I think I have a question, yeah. So
Sure.
just to repeat Dr. Bibi question.
Yeah.
Okay, regarding the one that you said that we can talk with the student and we can do a live communication with the students, yeah. So
Mm-mm.
how are we going to use FB Live for this particular application? I mean to link together with this particular event.
Okay. All right. For in order to show that, I'm gonna use my FB. Yeah, you can use any account. Yeah, I can. I'm gonna use my FB to write something. Okay, and then can you see this?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Say I wanted to say something. Uh, look for live video. It is up here. Do you see this?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Press that one. This is slightly different from what I used before. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Now, can you see my face here down
Yeah, of
here?
course. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, good, good. You can see my face, right? Now there's a few feature here, but what I'm going to show you for tonight to facilitate things, to make it easy, is one feature, okay? So
Okay,
the feature that I'm going to use is go live now. Go live now. Yeah. So
okay.
I choose that feature, go live now. You can also use it for schedule a live video. Schedule a live video. But what I'm going to focus is go live now. Okay. And then uh, after that, you choose whether you want to share this one on your timeline, share to a page you manage, or
Okay.
share in a group.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, say you want to share it in a group. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. I have created this group. So I
Okay.
say I want to choose this one. So I've created this earlier. Yeah. So the title is how to go live. One, do not click this one first. Yeah, go live ni. Do not click this. Make sure everything is okay. But then you can click. The camera here, there are a few features that you can use. You can use stream keys, you can use camera, but I'm gonna use camera. Don't ask me the rest because I don't know much about that at this point of time. So we just use camera first. Okay,
Okay.
you can have an option here whether you want just to use a camera or you can use share screen. The
Ah.
good thing about this, you can share screen just like
I do.
yes, using the
Okay.
Google Meet.
Yeah.
Overall
Okay.
screen, yeah.
So you can click that share screen and then
Ah.
click this entire screen. Click that. Sorry, click the entire screen. Okay, and then share. Okay, and then share. Right. Later on, when you go live, they will focus on the screen.
Mm.
They
Okay.
will focus on the screen. Okay. I think it is better for them to be able to see the notes, the slides that we are sharing, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So we said that. Once we have said all that, then we can go live. Yeah, we can go live here. Okay.
Okay.
So go live. 1, 2. All right. Now you are like. Okay. Hold on. It's winding a bit. Okay. Do you see this? Yeah. Now this is live already, and I can say, using your. How can you see this? Can you open your Facebook?
Yes, yes,
Yes, and
I'm watching it. You go live.
yes. So I say, hi everyone. Can someone reply?
Yep, I can see you.
All
Yes.
right, good.
Um,
You can see my face, or you can see
I'm seeing.
the screen. You see the screen right at the
Yes,
moment.
yes.
Yes. Yes.
We only see
Good. Dr. Bibi,
your
good. Okay. Can I just turn off the share screen? I just want to see what happens if I switch it off. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you can see my face now, right?
Yeah,
Can you
yeah.
see the screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you see the screen, or you see my face?
I see your face on the screen.
Oh, you see my face on the screen. Oh, that's good then. Say I want to start my presentation. Yeah.
Mhm.
So I can click this one. Can you see the PowerPoint?
Yeah.
Yes. So I can let me put it on slide on it. So I can do my presentation. Okay. Analogy between shear modulus of elasticity of a solid and viscosity of a
Oh,
fluid. Okay, so you can do this. You can talk, and then after that, you can escape and then go back. Go back
ah,
to you minimize this, yeah,
mhm.
minimize it, and then after you finish that, say probably we just have like the most 50 minutes. If you're done with all this, you can end live video. Can I end live video now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ah.
I've just seen some one tab there. There
Yeah.
are polls. Could you
Uh,
please click on that poll? I just want to see what is in there.
okay. I have not explored it. Okay, we can do that. Create a question.
Alright. Okay.
Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we can end the live video. If there's a message here, if you end this live video now, you'll be able to choose if you want to save it or delete it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Right. So okay. We just say okay. It's a bit. I'm waiting for a window here. A bit slow.
Or you need to reload again.
Hold on. Um.
If
Yeah.
I have one question
Yeah.
regarding and my video. What
Mm-hmm.
happens if we just close the FB tab?
If you just close it, probably it will not be safe. Because
Oh,
you have to save. There is a
okay.
subsequent process. When this one pop up end live video. So if you end
Mhm.
this live video now, you'll be able to choose if you want to save it or delete it. Yeah.
Okay.
So I say okay. Yeah, I say okay, not cancel. I say okay. There should be. I don't know why is it not.
So the question is quite uh weird.
Hold on. Okay. It doesn't want
Uh,
to stop.
Prof,
Yeah.
can I ask another question?
Yeah.
Okay, in this case here, when we on the FB Live, we can
Mm-hmm.
see your face, yeah, on the
Yeah.
screen. How
Mm-hmm.
about if, let's say, we have many people, students,
Mm-hmm.
let's say 30 student and one lecturer. Can we see
Mm-hmm.
each other like we have in Meet, or it's just like
Um,
one person only?
I think this is only one set like for
Yeah. Okay.
okay now.
It's ended
Okay.
now.
Do you see this now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
This is
yeah.
what I'm. Yeah, this is once the live video ended. Okay, then I can rate this as good. Say like I rate it 4 star. Okay, so
Okay.
they can share what you went wrong. They ask you about this. Um, um, and if you want to put some comments, you can. But I just view the post. Okay, I don't want to put comments and all that. I just view. Yeah. So
So
do you
it
see?
is the save live video, right?
Yeah. Now they are sharing it. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So I think that's about it. The three things that we learn. First, how to create a group, how to create units.
Okay.
Second, how to use event
Yeah.
to
Okay.
inform about our class. And the third one is how to go live. But of course, I have not covered many features. Probably we can explore, yeah, other features that we can use. But my advice is that probably we need to use this coupled with other platform that we already know. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, that's about the things that I could share tonight. Do you have any other questions?
Mm.
We can, each of us can answer. I think Mr. Azhan has lots of knowledge on things like this. Okay, so we can open and you guys
Yeah.
can add on.
Maybe I just want to ask, yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
anybody can answer it if
Okay.
you have the answer. For example, yeah, when yeah, continue when you have when you just now online, yeah, when you invite everybody to be in the groups, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and then how can we ensure, yeah, for example, in Facebook, if those people are watching, I mean, the live, the FB live when we are presenting something. Yeah, I
I
mean,
think
yeah,
I
thank
think
you.
what you could do using you can actually look at the what we call this the chat, right?
Mhm.
They can
The chat
respond.
room. Yeah.
Yes, the
I,
chat room. So I normally ask the students to put their name, say hi, and put their name and probably their ID number.
Mhm. I think.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. Then.
Yeah, I think in order for us to run our class online, we have to make it more interactive. I mean, you have to use all those means, all those platforms to make it to communicate with the students, and then
Yeah.
you need to incorporate the activities together with the live session. So then you know whether the student are responding to your question or not, or to the
Yeah.
activity or not. Then you know whether they have looked at the live session or not.
Yeah.
Mhm. Well,
And yeah.
if I may add, I think this
Yeah.
is suitable for this FB Live is suitable for when you want to show your, your calculation on any whiteboard behind you. Like
Yes.
you want to
Yes.
do a quick calculation or quick explanation on questions, or show some design, or something that you want to sketch or
Yes.
behind
I
you.
think
So you
yes.
you can you can do this FB Live. You try to use the different platform. We know that we can use whiteboard, Microsoft Whiteboard.
Yes.
We have this, some maybe someone who doesn't have that they
Facility.
yes, facility, or they prefer, traditional method. They can just
Yes.
uh, 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 live on FB, and then they
Mm-hmm.
just the old traditional method behind them.
Using the whiteboard.
Yes.
Yes, I think that is really very relevant. I think, yeah, I would sometimes use a whiteboard because it's easy for me just sketch, you know.
Yes.
Okay, how about you, Prof? Yeah, do you have any idea? Ni? Um, oh, okay, you are the one who asked the question, right? Sorry, sorry,
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
forgot
yeah.
already.
just
That's funny,
just
isn't it?
just just to add,
Okay,
just to add
okay,
some things regarding the what Dr. Bibi has said before. I mean, in order for us to use the normal whiteboards, I mean, the normal whiteboard, like the one that we have in the classroom,
Yes.
we need to have a good camera, and then we need to have a proper external camera, I think, so that
Ah,
student can see it clearly,
and
and
see.
student can
Okay.
Great.
see whatever we going to write on the whiteboard clearly.
Yes.
So if we just use our laptop camera, it is not really clear. It's not really good. That is the add up. I mean, the add up point for that one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you for the inputs,
Okay,
Mr. Azhan.
all right.
Okay, any other question?
I think that's it from me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
That's all. Thank you so much, Prof.
all right,
Yeah,
thank you.
thank you so much,
Alhamdulillah.
Prof.